Hello, my dear students. So, today we are going to learn what are the benefits of reading books. Now, you must be wondering, reading books is a different topic altogether. आप सोच रहे होगे कि रीडिंग बुक्स, वो भी बुक्स को रीड करना, ये कैसा टॉपिक है? Let me tell you, it is not a different topic altogether. See, if you start reading books, your academic performance will improve, and if your academic performance will improve, it has the ripple effect on other dimensions as well. What happens is, we are living in a very modernized world where we all have large screens, gadgets to entertain ourselves. However, we forget to read books. We are living in a KCC world. Now you must be wondering what this KCC stands for. It's my term, and there is no exaggeration to say that I invented this. KCC. K means knowledgeable. We are living in a knowledgeable world where we all have the access to internet. Just click one button and you will get the boom of information from YouTube, right? C stands for corporate. Privatization, yes. And next C stands for competitive. Knowledgeable, corporate and competitive. हम एक ऐसी सोसाइटी में रह रहे हैं जो बहुत ज्यादा नॉलेजेबल है, कॉम्पिटिटिव है एंड कॉर्पोरेट में वर्क करती है. इसका मतलब हो गया, केसीसी का मतलब ये हो गया, ठीक है. नाउ यू मस्ट बी वंडरिंग कि अगर हमें नॉलेज मिल रही है यूट्यूब से, इफ वी आर गेटिंग द डिजायर्ड नॉलेज फ्रॉम द यूट्यूब, then why we should read books? Yes, let me tell you one thing. If you start reading books, as I told you, your knowledge will improve. The knowledge that you are getting from YouTube is totally different from the knowledge that you will get from the books and from the pages of the books. Why is it so? See, if you are getting knowledge from the YouTube, you are not using your brain, you are just consuming the information, the data you are processing. However, if you read book and then you will get the knowledge, you start using your brain at your utmost capacity, right? And when you start your brain, your reasoning ability will improve. Yes, your reasoning ability will improve. Your thinking ability will improve. जब आप YouTube वीडियोस देखते हो, क्या आप सोचते हो पैरेलली आप किसी यूट्यूबर के पैरेलली सोचते हो कि ये यूट्यूबर ऐसा बोल रहा है? नो. बट व्हेन यू रीड बुक्स, you start thinking parallelly with the author. It happens with me as well. So your knowledge will improve, and gaining knowledge from the YouTube and so platform is totally different from gaining knowledge from the pages of the book, right? Because your thinking will improve. इसका सब पार्ट आता है, your thinking will improve, your reasoning will improve. You start thinking by yourself. When you start thinking by yourself, it means you start taking decisions. You have the knowledge to take decision on yourself, right? आप अपने आप ही अपने decisions लेना start कर दोगे, right? So that's the first benefit of reading. The second benefit of reading is your vocabulary. your vocabulary will improve. See, vocabulary means the collection of words that you have either in Hindi or in English, right? It's been scientifically proven that your knowledge is totally depend upon the words that you have. Can you imagine this? It's been scientifically proven. एक साइंटिफिक रिसर्च हुई हार्वर्ड यूनिवर्सिटी में कि जिसके पास लार्ज अमाउंट ऑफ वर्ड्स हैं, आई वुड रिपीट माई सेल्फ, एक हार्वर्ड यूनिवर्सिटी में एक रिसर्च हुई कि जिसके पास लार्जर कलेक्शन ऑफ वर्ड्स हैं वो एक हमारा सुपीरियर मैन बना, राइट? So if you have the excess amount of words, if you have the large collection of words, your knowledge will improve. Knowledge and words go hand in hand. अगर आपके पास collection of words बहुत अच्छे हैं, your knowledge will improve because you are unable to understand what you are reading because of the collection of words. और अगर आपकी knowledge improve हो रही है तो आपके collection of words improve होंगे. तो it's a virtuous cycle. It's a virtuous cycle. ये देखिएगा, knowledge and vocabulary. If your knowledge will improve, your vocabulary will improve. क्योंकि words are the symbols of knowledge. वर्ड्स आर द सिंबल्स ऑफ नॉलेज. आप नॉलेज अपनी तभी इंप्रूव कर पाओगे जब आपको वर्ड्स के मतलब पता हो. इफ योर नॉलेज विल इंप्रूव, योर वोकैबुलरी विल इंप्रूव. यस, एंड इफ योर वोकैबुलरी इज ऑलरेडी बीन इंप्रूव्ड, देन आपकी नॉलेज ऑटोमेटिकली इंप्रूव होने लगेगी. अगर आपको वर्ड्स के मतलब पता है, then you won't face difficulty to read the stuff that you want to read. Yes, तो ये सारे के सारे बेनिफिट्स हैं. वोकैबुलरी विल इंप्रूव. आप एक डिक्शनरी को नहीं रट सकते बिकॉज एक शब्द डिफरेंट तरीके से यूज होता है इन द डिफरेंट कॉन्टेक्स्ट. सो ये डिफरेंट तरीके से जो वर्ड यूज हो रहा है इन द डिफरेंट कॉन्टेक्स्ट, you will only understand by reading. There is no other way, right? Vocabulary, knowledge. The next one is your sentence construction. Sentence construction. Your sentence construction will improve. Lots of people are in trouble because they are not able to speak fluently in English. Because of this, because they are not unable to form proper sentences, right? So when you start reading, let's say you start reading in English, then your sentence construction automatically starts improving. You won't face any difficulty while you are speaking in front of someone. अब इससे नेक्स्ट मेरा, इससे कनेक्टिंग द डॉट्स, नेक्स्ट जो मेरा यूज आएगा वो आएगा पब्लिक स्पीकिंग. Directly or indirectly, public speaking is also linked with the reading of books. See, if you don't have vast amount of knowledge, you are not unable to speak in front of the public. अगर आपके पास knowledge नहीं है तो आप in front of the public you won't speak anything, right? Because you need knowledge. अगर आपको 50% नॉलेज है किसी टॉपिक पे तो यू विल आर्टिकुलेट ओनली 25% ऑफ इट. आप उसको 25% ही बोल पाओगे. एंड एज नवल रविकांत, आई थिंक, पार्डन मी फॉर प्रोनाउंसिंग इट रॉन्ग, नवल रविकांत हैज सेड ब्यूटिफुली that if you want to be a book, if you write a book, you want to be a book, right? अगर आपको एक बुक लिखनी है तो आपको एक बुक खुद बनना होगा. क्योंकि आपको इतनी नॉलेज होनी चाहिए, यू नीड टू हैव एक्सटेंसिव अमाउंट ऑफ नॉलेज। आप अपनी नॉलेज का 20-25% ही बुक में उतार पाते हो। सेम अप्लाइज विद द पब्लिक स्पीकिंग। If you want to speak in front of someone, you need to have the extensive knowledge of something. Then only you can articulate 20 to 25% of it in front of public. Right? ये आ गया public speaking, sentence construction, knowledge and vocabulary. Now, the next comes that if you start reading, अगर आप read करते हो, your concentration will improve. ये सबसे मेजर प्रॉब्लम आ रही है इन टूडेज वर्ल्ड, बिकॉज वी आर यूजिंग सोशल मीडिया एंड वी आर वॉचिंग रील्स फ्रॉम मॉर्निंग टिल नाइट। आर चिल्ड्रंस जो है हमारे, आर चाइल्ड्स ऑफन एडिक्टेड टू रील्स, दे जस्ट वांट टू स्क्रॉल द स्क्रीन फ्रॉम मॉर्निंग टिल नाइट, सो देयर कंसंट्रेशन स्पैम स्टार्ट्स डिक्रीजिंग एंड इट्स बीन साइंटिफिकली प्रूवन। जो भी मैं यहां पे बोल रहा हूं, वट एवर आई एम सेइंग हियर, दीज आर नॉट द फैक्ट्स. I did a lot of research. It's been scientifically proven that हम humans का जो concentration span है वो decrease to 5 seconds, which is the concentration span of a waterfish या jellyfish. हमारी जो concentration span है वो reduce to 5 seconds, only 5 seconds. And ये देन हमारी social media की वजह से है. जो छोटे छोटे kids हैं, they are watching mobile phone, they are using mobile phone, watching reels from morning till night. एक reel जो होती है, it's about 15 to 20 seconds. आप उसको देख के scroll कर लेते हो, कुछ लोग देखते भी नहीं. It affects the concentration of the child. So if you start reading, your concentration will improve. Right? That's the biggest example that you will get after reading so many stuffs. Being a voracious reader, I know the advantage of reading. I read since my college days and I have seen so many significant changes in my personality. These changes are very minute at that time, but now I can see the ripple effect in today's day. Right? Last but not the least, reading improves your overall personality. Your overall personality will improve. आपकी एक overall personality improve होती है. Now you must be wondering how. See, हम humans को evolve होने के लिए एक चीज की जरूरत थी. We evolve over a period of time a lot. What we need to evolve? We need to evolve. We need reading to evolve ourselves. जैसे 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 हम पढ़ते गए, हमारी नॉलेज इंक्रीज होती गई. जैसे जैसे हमारी नॉलेज इंक्रीज होती गई, वी इवॉल्व आवरसेल्फ एंड दैट इज हैपनिंग इन टुडेज वर्ल्ड एज वेल. कि हमें एक्सेस अमाउंट ऑफ नॉलेज होने की वजह से वी आर इवॉल्विंग आवरसेल्फ. राइट? तो इवोल्यूशन हैपेंस बिकॉज ऑफ रीडिंग. Change happens because of reading. And as someone said, before changing the world, you have to change yourself. Right? So, reading changes your overall personality altogether. You will see the 180 shift in your personality when you start reading. Because knowledge makes you better. Because knowledge is superpower. And if you have knowledge from different genres, from different topics, you are a better person. And you change yourself altogether. So, that's all I want to say. Though it's a different topic altogether, but it really affects your academic performance and it has the ripple effect on other dimensions as well. Thank you.